Have you heard the term LPMAMA before? If you don't know what LPMAMA is, it's a script that you can use to qualify buyer leads over the phone. Use the script to open up a dialogue with a prospect and find out more information about their situation. In this video, I'll go through each letter of the script and how you can use it to find success and great leads for your real estate business. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release a new free training 3 times per week, as well as go live every Tuesday, and you won't want to miss any of it. Finally, if you'd like my free real estate business plan template to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/business plan to download it today. Okay, now let's get started. Who is LPMAMA for? LPMAMA works best with an online lead, but can also be applied to a lead from any source. Getting a potential client on the phone is hard work, so you want to make sure the ones that you speak to are worth your time. This will ensure that you're not wasting your time and are only putting effort into the leads who are more serious about the home buying process. LPMAMA should be used once you get the potential lead on the phone, and the goal of the script is to set up a face-to-face appointment. Once you get the lead in person, the chances of converting them increases dramatically. So let's talk about how to use LPMAMA. LPMAMA isn't just to get you the information you need. Instead, the focus should be on the lead and how you can best serve their needs. To this end, try asking questions that feel less like an interrogation and more like you genuinely want to get to know them. Your questions shouldn't just seek to find out what, rather, you should try to uncover the why or the reasoning behind the lead's choices. For example, when you're asking about their location, don't be afraid to ask about their lifestyle. Instead of where would you like to live, you can ask, how far do you want to commute each day? Remember, LPMAMA is not a one-sided conversation. You're trying to open a dialogue between you and the lead. This will build rapport, which will ultimately get them to trust you and agree to work with you. Starting off with the L, location. Start off the conversation by asking the lead about the location they want to be in for their new home. For example, if the lead says they're looking to move to San Antonio, ask them what kind of neighborhood they're looking to move to. Do they want a quieter suburb or somewhere in the middle of the city? If they're not sure, try asking them what neighborhoods they don't want to live in. Most buyers know what they aren't looking for, so framing the question in this way will help you narrow down some options that you can present to them later. Some other location questions that you can ask are, the address of the home that you called on is located in XYZ area. Is this the only area that you're looking to buy in? What have you liked about the homes that you have lived in? Are you familiar with this area? Are you moving here to be closer to work? How far do you want to commute each day? Do you have kids? If so, are you trying to get into a particular school district? Would you be open to other properties in the area besides this one? Okay, so now let's move over to the P, price. Talking about location tends to lead to talking about the budget your lead is working with. Instead of using words like cost or price, try using words like invest and budget. Find out whether or not there is some room in their budget. For example, if their budget is $200,000, ask them if it's okay if you show them homes at $215,000. Tell them that you wouldn't want them to miss out on any great homes and that this would likely only cost them a few extra dollars a month on their mortgage. In addition, this is a great opportunity to find out if they're already pre-qualified. This will differentiate serious buyers from those that are still browsing. Some different ways that you can ask about price are, what budget are you most comfortable with? What's the budget for your new home? How much are you looking to invest in your new home? The home you called about is available for X dollars. Is this the amount you are looking to invest? I see you're looking at a home listed at X dollars. Is that the amount that you've been pre-approved for? Do you have a monthly payment that you're looking to stay under? Alright, moving on to M. Motivation. In general, the goal of uncovering the lead's motivation is to learn why they are moving and when they are looking to move by. Try to ask questions that make the lead focus more on the results rather than the reasons. Learning the lead's timeline helps you as the real estate agent understand what needs to be done so the lead can get their home in the desired time frame. If the lead is unfamiliar with the buying process, you can explain to them what deadlines they'll need to meet and how soon they should get started to stay on track with their time frame. Some questions that you can ask are: what has you looking at new homes today? What brings you to the city? Do you currently own or rent your home? Depending on their answer, follow up to learn more about their renting situation or whether they're selling their current home. How soon would you like to be in your new home? What's your time frame? How long have you been searching for homes? Have you seen any homes that you like? If so, what kept you from buying it? Are you looking to move in the next 3 to 6 months? Alright, now over to the first A, which is agent. Agent means finding out if the lead is already working with another real estate agent, and if so, whether or not they are committed to a contract with that other agent. A buyer might have an agent sending them different listings, but they haven't committed to signing a contract with them yet. Or they might just say that they're already working with another agent just because they want to avoid unwanted contact. You can ask a few questions to try and see if they have a contract with another agent. And if they don't, you can start demonstrating how you can provide unique value to the lead. If the lead has a relationship with another agent but hasn't signed a contract, ask them if you should send any deals that you find to the agent or directly to them. Typically, the lead will ask for the deals to be sent directly to them. In addition, you can explain to them that not every home will appear on the MLS right away, so you might know about some amazing deals in the area before other agents, and you want to make sure that they see them first. This positions you as a valuable person who can help the client fulfill their needs. Let them know that you'll do everything you can to help them purchase the perfect home at the best price, and you'll be there to guide them every step of the process. Here are some questions that you can ask. How long have you been looking for a new home? How many homes have you seen the inside of? What method do you prefer for looking at homes? Do you go to open houses or search online? Is an agent helping you? Did you already sign a contract with them? Do you have a 100% commitment to this agent, or are you open to looking for the best deal? Should I send any deals to that agent or directly to you? Are you currently working with an agent that you're committed to? And of course, if they're committed 100% to an agent or have already signed a contract, that you back off and you don't step on any toes. Simply let them know that if anything changes, you'd be happy to work with them. Moving on to the second M in LPMAMA is mortgage. While it can be uncomfortable to talk about money, it's a necessary part of qualifying any prospect. Find out if the lead has been pre-approved and what stage they are in their search. Some buyers are still browsing and have not talked to a bank or lender yet. If that's the case, these buyers aren't quite ready to sign a contract yet. It's important to make sure the lead is doing what they need to do on their end before you commit too much time to them. Ask how much of a down payment they can afford. If they're serious about making a down payment, offer to get them in touch with your preferred lender. In addition, this is a great opportunity to demonstrate your knowledge and expertise of the buying process, especially if this is a first-time home buyer. Some questions that you can ask are: how do you plan on paying for your home? Cash? Financing? How much cash do you have on hand to make the down payment? Have you talked to anybody as far as the best financing options for your situation? Will you be paying with cash, or are you planning to take out a mortgage? Have you been approved for a mortgage already? Have you been pre-qualified or credit approved by a mortgage lender yet? Has anyone taken the time to talk to you about financing? And finally, the last letter A, appointment. The ultimate goal of the LPMAMA is to set an appointment. Once you get the lead face to face or in a video call, the chance of them signing a contract with you is much higher. Tell the lead that by meeting, you'll get a better understanding of their situation. Offer an incentive, such as giving them a physical list of homes from the MLS that are great deals that you think they'd like. If the lead isn't quite ready for an appointment, set up a follow-up plan and stay in touch with them until they are. try to create a sense of urgency for the potential client. Tell them what the competition is like in the market and that people are buying homes quickly, so it's important to get going as soon as possible. Here are some of the best ways that you can set an appointment. Based on the information that we've discussed today, I recommend that we set up a time to meet at blank to go over the home buying process and set up a time to look at homes. Does that sound all right? Are weekdays or weekends better for you to sit down together? What time of the day works best for you? And by the way, if you run into objections along the way, you should check out my video that I'll link above where I talk about how to handle some of the most common objections that you'll get. So here's my final thoughts on the LPMAMA buyer's agent script. LPMAMA is popular with real estate agents because it helps them separate serious buyers from those that aren't quite ready yet. Use LPMAMA as a guide for your conversation, where the goal of the discussion should be on providing value to the lead. With the LPMAMA script, you can turn any buyer into a client in no time. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits that you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads, and I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called the Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now, I want to turn it over to you. Have you used LPMAMA before? If so, have you had success turning an online lead into a client? Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.